Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in ingot silver with black sport cloth interior seating for 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 2.7 liter 6-cylinder EcoBoost engine, and it's also a 4x4. It has a sport package which includes the sport cloth seating, as well it has a trailer tow package with a 4 and 7-pin connector and a trailer hitch. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls. There's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. And the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that will appear. And we'll just get in there. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center there's a little bit of a cubby up above, as well as traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And on the display screen you can touch on it. You're seeing the map there for navigation, and you'll also see your backup camera view there when you put the vehicle in reverse. In your audio you can choose your sources of AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You can go into settings and slide through for the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay preferences, or Android. And if you have an original cord with it, it will give you a display screen that looks exactly like the display screen on your phone. Down below you have volume and tuner, you have a CD player, and then you have your climate control, heated seats for driver and passenger, AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. Down in the cubby, couple of USB outlets. You have an automatic select shifter, and as well you have drive mode. When you press this, you'll see it appear on your dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. There's a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. Inside is a bin. You can take this out. Lots of storage down below, as well as a 12-volt. Off to the side, 110 and 12-volt outlet. You have a locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and this is the button that slides that power window in the back. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, magnetic colored running board, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera's just below that handle. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's nicely lined. There's tie downs in all 4 corners. As well, you have box link, and you also have a tailgate step, making it easier to get in. And then when you're ready, you can lock everything up and walk away. Or you can jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. And then to bring it down, simply pull the clip, and down it goes. You're seeing the sport cloth motif there. It looks like a tire tread on the seat. And at the base, you have anchors to be able to tether baby seats. There's carpeted mats on the floor and some pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center, you have a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as air vents. In the body, there's a grab handle. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.